If you love the idea of having a pension, but you never work for a company that offers one, there's a strategy that you need to know about. A way to turn your retirement savings into guaranteed income for life. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I've worked with clients for years, helping them to implement this strategy. It allows them to have a peace of mind and put that 401k to work. Now, the strategy is pretty straightforward, and before we get into the details of that, there are two things that you need to do first. Number one, you need to be very clear on how much money you're going to need in retirement, how much money you're going to need for your basic needs, and then how much money you're going to actually need to live your desired lifestyle. So figure out what that is for you. Is it $3,000 a month? Is it $6,000? Is it $10,000? Whatever the number is, you need to be very clear on what that is for you and your household. Next step, you also need a strategy for when you're going to decide to claim your Social Security benefits. It is not good enough to just say, I'm going to claim at 62 or 67 or 70. You need to analyze your specific situation. If you're single, there's a strategy for that. If you're married, there's a strategy for that. If you're a business owner, there's a strategy for that. So you need to understand what your particular strategy is and what age you're going to claim your benefit, ideally so that you're maximizing it. And after those two things are decided upon, you know how much money you need. You also know what your guaranteed income source is through Social Security. The next step is to figure out what's the gap. So say we have someone who needs $6,000 every single month, and they're going to receive $3,000 from their Social Security retirement benefit. That person has a gap of $3,000. So the strategy that can help you get guaranteed income and put your 401k to work is to explore a fixed indexed annuity and see if it's a good option for you. I'm going to highlight some benefits of it. Annuities have changed over the years, and they are designed to help you by turning on a feature where you can get guaranteed income for the rest of your life. So let's say you have a portfolio of, let's just say, $600,000. You could purchase a fixed indexed annuity with a portion of that 401k, and let's just say you want to purchase it with $300,000. Now, depending on how it's structured, that fixed indexed annuity could allow you to receive $3,000 every single month to fill that gap. Not only does it give you that guaranteed income, but many of them today are designed to help you with any long-term care needs that might come up. So if you have a fixed indexed annuity and you have a long-term care need where you can't perform two daily functions like clothing yourself or feeding yourself, that annuity could potentially pay you double of what your contract said it would if you didn't have that health challenge. I'm going to put the link for this resource in the description of this video, but I want to just show you some of the tools and resources you have available to learn more about annuities and how people are using them to truly protect their retirement savings and receive guaranteed income for life. So this is the website, and I want to take you down to this section right here where you can learn more about the tools and resources that are offered. There is a section where you can learn about specifically questions that you can ask your financial professional about annuities. This is a really good way for you to understand how they get compensated, how their business model is structured, how they communicate with their clients. This site really gives you the ability to learn how to have these conversations and come in out the gate with knowledge. Now let's go to the second part, which is a glossary for you to understand the different terms that come up as people talk about annuities. And we're going to go back to this one here where it explains what annuities are. And I'm going to take you down to this portion right here where you can download this guide. This is what it looks like. Breaks down annuities, the history of them, why they were created, how it benefits people. And then there's a really great example
down here at the bottom that I want to show you of a couple. So you get to read about this and see how they were able to use a fixed index annuity to help them during their retirement season. Now, also at the bottom of this page, it shows you the different types of annuities that exist. You have a fixed rate annuity, a fixed indexed annuity, which is the one I mentioned to you during this video. Basically, a fixed indexed annuity is linked to indexes in the stock market like the S&P 500 for an example, but the thing to know is that your money is actually not in the market. It's just going to mirror what the market is doing. Another type is a registered index linked annuity, also known as a RILA. And if anyone is going to introduce these to you, they are a variable product. So that person is going to need their securities license. And then also here we have a variable annuity. And so there's more information here that you can check out. So LIMRA is an organization that has a retirement income institute, and you can learn more about that here, understanding their vision and their mission. And honestly, what has happened is that so many people have misunderstandings about what annuities are. And so this organization has really dedicated their time to explaining them, making it very user friendly so that people can understand how this tool could benefit them.
If you want to learn how to maximize your Social Security benefit, watch this video next.